In this video, we'll show you how to manage your calls using the ConnectUC desktop app, including how to transfer calls, park calls, and add someone to join your conversation. If you don't have the ConnectUC app yet, we have a short step-by-step video that shows you exactly how to set it up. You can check it out anytime. All right, let's get started. Start by answering an incoming call. The first thing you'll see is the call handler. This is your main control panel during a call. From here, you'll find several options like muting your microphone, placing the call on hold, or even recording the conversation. Now, if you want to transfer a call, simply click the transfer button. You'll see 3 different options to send the call to another extension or an external phone number. If your goal is to send the call immediately without speaking to the other person first, choose blind transfer. The call will be transferred instantly. If you'd prefer to talk to the person before completing the transfer, select attended transfer. This will start a second call while the original caller remains on hold. Once the second person answers, you can speak with them and then click complete transfer whenever you're ready. And if you want to send the call directly to someone's voicemail, just choose Send to Voicemail, and it will go straight there. Now let's go back to the call handler. If your goal is to add someone to your current call, click Add a Call. Then dial the number or select a contact you want to invite. The original caller will automatically be placed on hold while you connect the second call. Once both calls are active, you can press merge to join everyone together. If you want to switch between calls, use swap. To hang up one call, press drop, or simply end call to finish everything. Next, let's talk about parking a call. To park a call, press park. Choose the parking slot you want, and the system will confirm that your call has been parked. To retrieve a parked call, go to the parking tab and press pick up. Any extension that shares the same parking group can pick up that call, which is really useful for team environments. Finally, if you want to start a new outgoing call with ConnectUC, just click New Call. Dial the number or choose a contact from your list and press Start Call. And that's it. That's how you can easily handle your calls with the ConnectUC desktop app. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.